Hey guys, what's going on? It's RDP, RDP Outdoors. Today we're gonna work on the trailer. The bunk pads on it are all jacked up. The carpet that's on there is all torn up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take all of them off. We're gonna replace them. I got this from this bunk padding from Academy. Shouldn't only need that. I got a knife. I got a staple. We're just gonna go with this staple. I don't want to buy a staple gun. And we got some outdoor adhesive. I will put all the measurements and all the stuff that we do down below in the video, but we're gonna get to it. I did not film me putting the new outdoor carpet on the bunk boards. I thought the GoPro was recording, but it didn't. So we got these finished up top. I didn't have enough to do the bottom, so we're gonna run by Academy and get those in the morning. But what I did was, as you can also see, like there wasn't enough to cover all these, but with these and the staples, I'm gonna get some black spray paint just to cover it up and make it look a lot nicer. But the outsides look great to me, especially coming from what they were before. Yeah, so we just those carpet rolls that I got from Academy came in 12 feet, and these are both 6 feet, as well as the bottom boards are 6 feet. So I just didn't have enough. So what I decided to do was cover up the outside, which will match the bottom of the boat once we paint it in the coming days. And then what was left over, I just put here besides filling this in. And I'm gonna fill this in with some paint so it looks a lot nicer. But I do apologize for not being able to record how I did this. It was pretty simple, man. Just cut it out, put some adhesive on it, and then just stapled it as good as I could. And yeah, we're done, man. But we'll get back after tomorrow. Again, I apologize, but yeah, that's the finished product so far. Thanks.